is all you'll need for my prawn spring rolls. Some prawns, of course, some bean sprouts, some spring onions, a normal onion, carrots, some spring roll pastry. Life's too short to make your own, so get some at your Chinese market. An egg, some sweet corn, a bell pepper to add a bit of flavour. I'm going to make a sauce up of oyster sauce, soy sauce, sweet chilli sauce, rice wine vinegar and some honey. First thing we're going to do is make up a bit of the sauce. So, tablespoon of oyster sauce, same for the soy sauce, and the sweet chilli sauce, delicious. Same for your rice wine vinegar, and to counteract the vinegar as well as your sweet chilli sauce, going in with some honey. And then into there, just to help the mix and help it spread round when you put it in your veg, a touch of water, give that a mix and then just put it to one side. With your sauce made up, we're going to get on with the veg. What we're going to do is what's called julienne for the carrots with this machine called a mandolin. If you haven't got a mandolin, just chop the carrots best you can, but we're after something like that. With the rest of the veg, we're just going to chop it up small because it's going in a spring roll, obviously. Into a pan with a glug of oil, heat that up, and then it's in with your chopped veg. Pop the lid on and then just give that a few minutes to soften down. When your veg, give that a few minutes, frying away. Time to go in with the already cooked veg. So, in my case, sweet corn, prawns, and lastly, bean sprouts. And again, give them another few minutes to cook through and wilt down. When your veg have had a few minutes and settled down a bit, then you're going in with the sauce that you made up earlier. And then you're going to give that a few more minutes for them flavours to meld together. When that's had a few more minutes, it's time to take it off the heat and let that cool down. When your filling has cooled down a bit, break an egg into a bowl, go in with a drop of milk, give that a mix round, and then get your pastry ready. You're just going to paste all the edges. And then with a dollop of your filling, you want it just off centre so that you can roll it, and then over with that, and then pull your corners in, and then again with your egg wash, just do that there, and then fold it over. And that is ready for your fryer. Once you've got your oil up to speed, wants to be the same as you cook chips in, or fries as they say in America. Just do them a couple at a time because you don't want to cool down the oil too much. So in they go until they're nice golden brown on the outside. And they've had a few minutes and got a nice brown colour. Turn them out onto some kitchen roll and put the next two in. When you've dabbed them all with kitchen roll, put them onto a plate, get out your favourite dips and get stuck in.